guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is my monthly Floerns haul. I have got 5 pieces of clothing to share with you for the month of September, and I'm really excited to show these pieces to you. Some of them are a little on the scandalous side. Most of them are pretty niche to a specific event, like maybe a festival, a concert. Probably wouldn't want to wear any of these to church. Just saying. Anyways, I'm going to stop rambling and let's get into it. Now, the first 2 pieces I've had for a couple of weeks, and the other 3 pieces just came in like over the weekend. So I have already tried on this. This is a like metallic halter top, crop top. So cute. Metallic is huge for the fall 2025. It has this little buckle detail in the front. There are 2 notches so that you can widen it if you want to show more cleavage or put it closer to conceal the cleavage. Regardless, the girls are going to be on show. Here is the back side. It's just a very thin little strip of material that's going to cover the lower back. And then, of course, the halter that will go up around the neck. I was a little scared of the sizing because you can never really tell. So I went with the large just to be on the safe side, and it fits fine. And again, you have the adjustable belt in the front if you do need to make it just a smidge tighter or looser. Now, the second piece that came in a couple of weeks ago is a faux leather mini skirt in the size large. So I feel like if you have really wide hips, which I have wide hips, go up a size. And if you want to wear it high-waisted, then just stick with your normal size. So I went with the large because I wanted to wear it as like hip hugger style, and so that it would give me a little more length. So if you go with a high rise and a smaller waist, it's going to be very cheeky. Your bottom will be hanging out. So I wanted to avoid that, so I just made it a low rise and went with a larger size so that it could sit on my hips, and it worked perfectly, especially with that little metallic top. I thought it was so cute together. That's how I paired it for the video and took a couple of photos. This is black. You can literally wear this with anything. I like how it has the belt loops so that you can wear a belt like normal. Now, the closure is this little hook and zipper. And then on the back, we have 2 faux pockets. Okay, now moving on to the other pieces that I have not tried on. So I will have to do that after the video. FYI, stay tuned till the end of the video because I do a modeling portion where I show you what the clothes look like on. So these are little high-waisted shorts with sequins on them. The front and the back are exactly the same. We have a little bit of elastic. It's not a ton of elastic, but it is a little bit, and they are double lined, so they're not going to be super itchy on you. Again, I went with the large because I wasn't sure of sizing, so I hope they fit. They look like they're going to fit great though. Next item up is another pair of shorts. These are a faded black denim short in size large. These guys are really stretchy. The closure is your traditional button with zipper. On the front, we have these cute little pockets on both sides. And on the back side, we have 2 pockets that do button. And yes, these are functioning pockets. And again, we have belt loops. These look like they're going to be pretty short, so be prepared for that. Next item up is a sheer top, and you guys know if you've been around for a while, I love a good sheer top. So this one is so fun. It has these little iridescent polka dots on them, and then it is a crop top, but it is long sleeve, and we have these like bell sleeves at the elbow. This is so cool, kind of leaning on the witchy vibes, which we're going into the spooky season. I feel like it will fit in great with the upcoming holidays. And I got this in a size large. Hopefully it fits. And then the last piece, now it's not going to look like much right here, but it is a faux leather jacket. It's almost like a moto jacket style. So it's going to be kind of hard to explain, but let me see if I can get through this. Okay, there's like little strappy things. Okay, so here is one shoulder. This would go around the neck. This would go under the arm. And then there is another strap at the bottom that would go around the waist. So it's like half of a jacket, if you will. It is long sleeve. It is not double lined. The material is very thin. I don't know the prices of all these, but this seemed like it was so fun. I think this also comes in a silver metallic, like the shirt from the beginning. So you could create so many fun outfits. I can see even using this for Halloween. I know I just mentioned spooky season, but Halloween's coming up. And this is something that you could definitely have fun with. And I am so excited to be able to try it on and see what I can find in my closet to like go with it. That is it for this video. Stay tuned. In just a few seconds, I will roll the B clip and show you what the clothing looks like on me. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Krystal. This is a lifestyle channel and I put out 2 videos a week. I've been working with Floerns for several years at this point, and I do 1 video a month for them. And I appreciate them so much, and I appreciate you guys for being here. If you would not mind, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't like it. And if you know of any specific ways that you could style the jacket or the sequin shorts, leave your thoughts in the comments. I think I may need some ideas moving forward if I were to continue to wear those pieces of clothing like out. But anyways, that's it. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you, and I will see you next time. Bye.